Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply conditional formatting in Looker Studio, step by step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If you want important numbers to stand out automatically, yeah, this feature is extremely useful. First, open Looker Studio and open the report where you want to apply formatting. Conditional formatting works best in tables, so start by adding or selecting a table chart. Now, select the table, and in the right panel, scroll down to Conditional Formatting. Click Add a Rule to create your first condition. This is where you tell Looker Studio how to highlight your data. Choose the metric you want to format, like revenue, conversion rate, or clicks, then set the condition. For example, if revenue is greater than a certain value, apply a green color. If it's below a target, apply red. Simple and effective. You can format text color, background color, or both. Keep colors consistent and easy to understand. Green usually means good performance, red means underperforming. So, yeah, stick with what people expect. Add multiple rules if needed. For example, green for high values, yellow for average, and red for low. This gives you instant visual insight without reading every number. Conditional formatting also works well with percentages. Highlight conversion rates that exceed your goal or flag those that drop below a threshold. This makes performance issues obvious at a glance. After setting rules, scroll through the table to confirm formatting applies correctly. Adjust thresholds if needed. Sometimes small tweaks make a big difference. Design matters here. Don't overuse colors. Too many highlights can be distracting instead of helpful. Focus only on key metrics that need attention. Before sharing, switch to View mode and test everything. Change dates, apply filters, and make sure conditional formatting updates dynamically. And that's it. By using conditional formatting in tables, setting clear rules, and keeping colors simple, you can make your Looker Studio reports much easier to read and analyze. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.